Hello everyone, my name is Ayu Wandira. You can call me Ayu. I'm a third semester student from the University of Pamulang, Faculty of Literature, English Literature Study Program. In this video, I want to present about 8 types of presentation style. The first, visual style. The second, free form style. The third, instructor style. Fourth, coach style. Fifth, storytelling style. Sixth, connector style. Seventh, lazy style. Eighth, Takahashi style. Has outlined 8 types of presentation style that I get from a website. This presentation style is used by well-known speakers like Steve Jobs and Al Gore, and there's nothing wrong with it. Examine which one and decide which one is the most effective for you. The first types of presentation style is visual style. Visual style is a presentation style based on vision. So the presenter shows his presentation to the audience using pictures, slides, and can be in the form writing. Then the presenter can explain information about the essence of the presentation. This style is useful when speaking to people with a wide range of interests. It's also great when you need to put slides together quickly. The second is free form style. Means that in this style, the speaker does not need to rely on the slide to explain to the audience, because in this free form style, the speaker relies on story as strong to illustrate each point. This style is best suited for those who have short presentation time and are very familiar with their talking points. This free form style is used when elevator promotion, network event, and impromptu gatherings are scenarios that use the free form speaking style. You'll appear less trained and more communicative than if you stop in the middle of a happy hour to take your presentation on a tablet. The third is instructor style. This presentation style emphasizes the structure of the correct presentation in a structured manner. This presentation style allows you to convey complex messages using figures of speech, metaphors, and lots of content, just like your past teacher and professor. Your deck should be built in a logical order to aid your presentation, and you should use high impact visuals to support your ideas and keep the audience engaged. This instructor style is used if you are not a comfortable presenter or unfamiliar with your course material. For example, your product was recently updated and you are unfamiliar with the key points. Try an instructor style presentation. The fourth is coach style. This presentation style uses a trainer approach to the listener, which allows them to connect and engage with their audience. Using role playing and audience interaction, energetic and charismatic speakers are attracted to this style of presentation. Use this presentation style when you are speaking at the conference or giving a presentation to an audience that needs calm. For example, this style work best if you were talking to a group of executives who need to be sold based on an idea of what your company did rather than detail of how you did it. The fifth is storytelling style. In this style, speakers rely on anecdotes and examples to connect with their audience. Stories bring your learning point to life, and the TID commandment never lets you down. Let your emotion run wild and tell your story in an honest way. Avoid this style if you are in the discovery phase of the sales process. You want to maintain the conversation about your prospect instead of throwing back any point or question to you or a similar client. This style is great for speaking at conference, networking, event, and sales presentation where you have ample time to tell your story without talking a few minutes of question. The sixth is connecting style. In this style, presenters connect with their audience by showing similarities to their listeners. Connectors usually enjoy question and answer in free format and use gesture when speaking. They also really encourage audience reaction and feedback on what they have to say. Use this presentation style early in the sales process when you are studying your prospect hurdle points, challenges, and goals. This type of talk makes your audience feel comfortable, gets feedback on what you are doing in real time, and is more of a dialogue than a one-sided presentation. The seventh is lazy style. Lazy style were created by Lawrence Lessig, a professor of law of leadership at Harvard Law School. This presentation style requires the presenter to go through each slide within 15 seconds. When text is used on a slide, it's usually synced with the word that the presenter says. This presentation method is great for a lot of people, and it allows the speaker to use a balance of text and images to convey their message. The pace and rhythm of the slide progression keep the audience focused, engaged, and less likely to fall asleep. The eighth is Takahashi style. This method displays large and bold text on minimal slides. It was designed by Masayoshi Takahashi, who found himself creating slides without access to presentation design tools or PowerPoint. Keywords are the focal points of the slide and process, which are rarely used, are short and concise. This presentation style is used if you are in Takahashi's place without presentation design software. This method is for you. This style works well for short presentation that pack an unforgettable punch. So I think that is enough for my presentation about 8 types of presentation styles. Thank you for your attention. See you.